this is on low beams. I did another video in my G4 and it had upgraded halogen headlights on this same road, and wow, you can tell the difference. Then here's high beams. These headlights are a lot better in this car on the SE with the LED lights. I'll show you here once I get around this turn with the fog lights on and with the fog lights off. Alright, so let me put it back to low beam. And then if this is with the fog lights on, that's with them off. On. Off. So yeah, definitely a big improvement. I think in the G4, when I upgraded the headlights, I think I had the Sylvania Silver Star Ultra, I think is what they were. But I thought they were good then, but now compared to these even do a lot better than my Eclipse Cross. It was an SEL, so it had the LED headlights too, but these shine further and seem to have like a wider spread. Alright, just wanted to do a quick video trying to test the headlights here a little.